Find two numbers whose sum is 24 and whose product is as large as possible. So let first number be x, and as the sum is 24, so second number will be 24 minus x. Now let us define a function px, which is product of this function, and we have to maximize this function. Two numbers whose sum is 24, whose product is as large as possible. That means we have to maximize this function px. Okay. So first of all, differentiating it, p dash x first into d by dx of second plus second into d by dx of first. Now minus x plus 24 minus x, that is equal to 24 minus 2x. Now putting p dash x equals to 0. So 24 minus 2x equals to 0, or x equals to 24 by 2, that is equal to 12. Okay. So at this point, this is a critical point. We'll check at this point whether it will be maximum or minimum. So we'll double differentiate this function.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Okay. So this is less than 0. Okay. We are doing question number 13. Okay. So maximum value. Okay. And maximum value is at x equals to 12. Okay. And value of maxima. So px at x equals to 12 will be 12 into 24 minus 12, that is equal to 12 into 12, 144. This will be the answer. So find two positive numbers x and y such that x plus y equals to 60 and x y cube is maximum. Okay. So it is given x plus y equals to 60 and we have to maximize function that is equal to xy cube. Okay. So what we'll do, first of all, we'll replace this y. We'll replace this y by this relation. So y equals to 60 minus x and px equals to x into 60 minus x the whole cube. Now we have to maximize px. So we'll first of all differentiate it. P dash x first into d by dx of second plus second into d by dx of first. Putting p dash x equals to 0 to obtain the critical point. So when we'll put equal to 0, it is 60 minus x the whole square we can take outside. It is minus of 3x plus 60 minus x equals to 0. So x will be equal to, one value will be 60 and other value will be 60 minus 4x equals to 0. So x will be equal to 15. So two values are this, x equals to 60 and x equals to 15. Okay. Now we'll obtain its second derivative, p double dash x. P double dash x will be, p dash x was 60 minus x the whole square and 60 minus 4x this was. So first into d by dx of second plus second into d by dx of first. So 2 into 60 minus x into minus 1. Okay. Now we have to just check the signs of p dash x. ये दोनों पॉइंट्स पे बस साइन चेक करना है, x equals to 15 और x equals to 60 पे. Okay. So if we check the sign at x equals to 60, it is coming 0. Okay. And at x equals to 15, p double dash x 15, this will be a negative number because minus 4 into 60 minus 15, basically 45 square. And here also 60, okay, this thing will be 0, other part will be 0. When x will be 15, 60 minus 4x will be 0. Okay. So p double dash x will be less than 0 at x equals to 15. Okay. That means maxima occurs at x equals to 50. Okay, and maximum value of function, maximum value of xy cube will be equal to 15 into 60 minus 15 the whole cube. Okay, or it will, instead this we can write 6x into 60 minus x the whole cube. We can write this one. So it will be, this maximum value will be this. Okay, that is, we have to just find the numbers. Actually we even don't have to find the product, find two positive numbers. So numbers are 15 and 45. These are the answers, and maximum value is this. In case it is asked, we can solve this and write the answer. Otherwise numbers are this. Question 15. Find two positive numbers x and y such that their sum is 35 and product x square y to the power 5 is maximum. Okay, so two numbers, their sum is 35, x and y. So x plus y equals to 35 is given, and let us define a function px, that fx, that is equal to x square y to the power 5, and we have to maximize this function. Okay, maximum. Okay, value. Now first of all we'll replace y from here. Y will be equal to 35 minus x, and fx will be equal to x square into 35 minus x to the power 5. Okay, now we'll obtain its first derivative, f dash x first into d by dx of second plus second into d by dx of first. Okay, and here there will be minus 1 also. Now when we'll put f dash x equals to 0, so 35 minus x to the power 4 will come outside. 5x square minus 1 plus 2x into 35 minus x. Okay, so when we'll put equal to 0, we'll get minus 5x square plus 70x minus 2x square. Okay. 35 minus x to the power 4 equals to 0. Okay. Now 35 minus x to the power 4, it will be 70x minus 7x square equals to 0. We can take 7x outside, it is equal to 10 minus x equals to 0. So critical points are x equals to 0, x equals to 10 and x equals to 35. Okay, now as we have to obtain maximum value, अगर x 35 होता है तो y 0 हो जाएगा, because x plus y is 35, and if y is 0, this value will be 0. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
okay, so that cannot be maximum value. So, and if x is 0, then also that value will be 0. So we'll first of all check x equals to 10. We'll obtain double differentiation, f double dash x first into d by dx of second plus second into d by dx of first. Now when we'll put this value x equals to 10. Okay, so we have to just check the sign of f dash x. We are not interested in the actual value. So we can just check whether it is coming positive or negative. 35 minus x will be positive. Then 70 minus 140, this will be negative. Okay, so this is positive into negative. Okay, plus 7x we can take outside. So it is 10 minus x. Okay, so this will be 0. Okay, so this term will become 0 because of this term 10 minus x. यहाँ पे जब ये put करेंगे x equals to 10, we'll get it 700 minus 700 basically, so it is 0. So this second term is 0, and this is positive in product of positive and negative, so it is negative. So f double dash x is less than 0, that means maxima occurs here. Maximum value of fx at x equals to 10. Is it clear? Okay. So complete this. Y equals to 16 minus x. So fx will be equal to x cube plus 16 minus x the whole cube. Okay. Now we'll obtain its first derivative. So that is 3x square plus 3 into 16 minus x the whole square into minus 1. Now for obtaining the critical point, we'll put equal to 0, f dash x equals to 0. So 3x square minus 3 into 16 minus x the whole square equals to 0. So we can take 3 outside. It is x square minus 16 minus x the whole square. So putting the identity a minus b, a plus b, x minus 16 plus x, x plus 16 minus x equals to 0. So it is 16 into 3, 48, 48, and it is 2x minus 16 equals to 0. So x will be equal to 8, 16 by 2, 8. Okay, so this is the critical point coming. We'll obtain second derivative of the function. So f dash x, which was 3x square minus 3 into 16 minus x the whole square, will obtain its second derivative, that is equal to 6x minus 3 first into dy dx of second plus second into dy dx of first. Okay, now obtaining, just checking the sign of f dash x at x equals to 8. Okay, so x equals to 8. Okay, 6 into 8 minus 3 into 8 into 2 into 8 into minus 1 plus 16 minus 8, 8 square. Okay, so 6 8s are 48 minus 3 into 8 8s are 64 into 2 128 minus 20 28 plus 64. So it is 48 minus 3 minus 64. Okay, so f double dash x is coming positive. Okay, so it will come positive. That means the minimum occurs here. Minimum value of function occurs at x equals to 8. Minimum value at x equals to 8. Okay, so x will be equal to 8 and x plus y equals to 16. So y will also be equal to 8. This will be the answers. Question 17. A square piece of tin of side 18 centimeter is to be made into a box without top by cutting a square from each corner and folding up the flaps to form the box. What should be the side of the square to be cut off so that volume of box is the maximum possible? Okay, so now actually difficulty level increases. Okay, the question, first of all, it's very important to understand the question. There is a square tin. Okay, this way a square piece of tin is there. Its dimensions are 18 cross 18. Okay, so basically this is 18. This distance is 18 and this is also 18. Okay, now a square piece of tin, okay, without top, by cutting a square from each corner, and a square is cut from each corner. So that means a square is cut from here, a square is cut from here, a square is cut from here and here. Okay, so if the side of the square is x, this is x, this is x, this is x, and this is x, then this will become 18 minus 2x. This is x, this is x. Okay, so this will also become 18 minus 2x. Okay, now They are saying that what should be the side of square to be cut off so that the volume of box is maximum possible. So basically a box is made, okay, whose top is open, okay. Now the base जो स्क्वायर का जो बॉक्स है उसका बेस होगा, उसके डायमेंशंस क्या होंगे 18 माइनस 2x और 18 माइनस 2x, और जो हाइट होगी वो होगी x. So we'll write this, let 18 minus 2x be the length and breadth of box, okay, and x be the height of the box. Is this thing clear? बेसिकली एक पेपर लो, स्क्वायर पेपर, उसमें से 4 कॉर्नर्स अगर ऐसे हटा देंगे, अब फ्रॉम दिस थिंग इफ यू लिफ्ट इट अप, okay, if this thing you lift, this thing also you lift, and this thing, and you make this thing as height, ये चीज अगर हाइट बना देंगे तो इसकी हाइट क्या हो जाएगी, हाइट ऑफ द बॉक्स विल बी x, this will be the base of the box, so it will be 18 minus 2x and 18 minus 2x. Are you getting this thing or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if these are the sides, volume of the box will be x into 18 minus 2x into 18 minus 2x. Okay, so v can be written as x into 18 minus 2x the whole square. Okay, we have to maximize the volume. Okay, so we'll first of all find its derivative, f dash x, v dash x first into d by dx of second, so 2 into 18 minus 2x into minus 2 plus second into d by dx of first. Okay, now putting v dash x equals to 0, so it will be 18 minus 2x, if we take outside it is minus of 2x plus 18 minus 2x, or minus of 4x, sorry, minus of 4x plus 18 minus 2x equals to 0. So x will be, when we'll put this term equal to 0, we will get x equals to 9, and when we'll put other term equal to 0, 18 minus 6x equals to 0, so x will be equal to 3. Okay, now this we can rewrite 18 minus 2x into 18 minus 6x. Okay, this is v dash x. Okay, this is also v dash x, which we have put equal to 0. Now double dash x, just to find whether the maxima or minima is there, first into d by dx of second plus second into d by dx of first. Okay, so that is equal to minus 6 into 18, that is equal to minus of 106, it's a 48, 408. Okay, plus 12x minus 36 plus 12x. Okay, so 1 minute. So when x will be equal to 3, okay, so it is equal to 12x plus 12x, 24x minus 36 minus 108. When x will be equal to 3, so it is 72 minus 36 minus 108, it will be less than 0 at x equals to 3. Okay, that means maximum value of vx is at x equals to 3. Okay, and volume, therefore the x is 3 now we got, so dimensions will be 3, x, 18 minus 2x and 18 minus 2x, that is equal to 18 minus 6, that is equal to 12, and 12. This will be the answers. Okay, A rectangular sheet of tin 45 by 24 is made into a box without top by cutting off square from each corner and folding up the flaps. What should be the side of the square to be cut off so that the volume of box is maximum? Okay. Now, in this question, it is a rectangle. Before it was a square. So rectangle is there. Its sides are 25, 24 and 45. Okay. And here also, squares are removed from the corner. Okay. So if this is x, this is x, this is also x, this is x, this is x. Okay. Now, so this will be what it will be? This distance will be what?
45 minus x.
45
minus 2x.
45 minus 2x. Okay. And what about this distance?
24 minus 2x.
24 minus 2x. Now, if we talk about the dimensions of box, what it will be? 45 minus?
Ma'am, x. Ma'am, height is x. Ma'am, length is 45 minus 2x and breadth is 24 minus 2x.
Okay, good. So, these are the dimensions of the box are this. So, volume will be equal to product of this all three. Okay. Now, we have to maximize it. So, V equals to finding product of this both. So 45 into 24, 1080 minus 90x minus 48x plus 4x square. Okay. That is equal to x into 1080 minus 138x plus 4x square. Obtaining first derivative. So first into d by dx of second, that is equal to 8x minus 138 plus second into d by dx of first. Okay. Putting it equal to 0. So this is equal to 8x square minus 138x plus 1080 minus 138x plus 4x square. Putting v dash x equals to 0. Okay. So that is equal to v dash x was 12x square minus 138 minus 138, that is equal to minus 276x plus 1080. So when we'll put equal to 0, 12x square minus 276x plus 1080 equals to 0, or x square minus 12 2s are 24, 3s are 36 plus 90 equals to 0. So it is equal to 5x minus 18x plus 90 equals to 0, or x minus 5 minus 18 into x minus 5 equals to 0. So x equals to 5 and x equals to 18. These are the points. Okay. Now obtaining the second derivative of this. So v double dash x, that will be equal to 24x minus 276. Now obtaining v double dash x at x equals to 5. So 24 into 5 minus 276. So 5 4s are 20, 20 220 minus 276. So it is coming less than 0. Okay. That means maximum value occurs here at x equals to 5. Okay. So x equals to 5 we got. Now we'll find the other dimensions. So okay, here it is asked what should be the side of the square to be cut off. So side of the square to be cut off, तो यही है answer. Okay. And if we are asked to find the other dimensions, we can substitute in 45 minus 2x and 24 minus 2x.